best ceiling fan. Number 5. Bajaj Pro 1200 mm ceiling fan, brown. Approx price 1399 rupees. Sweep 1200 mm, power 56, air delivery 205 cm, rated speed 340 rpm, double ball bearing, quick start high torque motor, ribbed blades, warranty 2 years. Number 4. Usha Bloom Daffodils Goodbye Dust Ceiling Fan. Approx price 2999 rupees. Sweep size 1250. Number of blades 3. High speed 380 rpm. Power input 85 watt. Dust resistant. Number of speed settings 4. Air delivery of 240 m3 per minute. 2 years manufacturer warranty. Number 3. Crompton Hills Breeze 1200 mm high speed ceiling fan, brown. Approx price 1499 rupees. Powder coated blades for enhanced aesthetics. Sweep 1200 mm. Power consumption 75 watt. Speed 370 rpm. Air delivery 205 cm. 100% copper motor. Double ball bearings. 2-year warranty. Number 2. Orient Electric Apex FX 1200 mm ceiling fan, brown. Approx price 1499 rupees. RPM 360. Air delivery 200 m3 per minute. Blade size 1200 mm. Operating voltage 220 to 240 volts. Super reliable and efficient copper motor. Number of poles 12. Power consumption 40 watts. Number of speed settings 5. Warranty 2 year on product. Number 1. Atomberg Rensa 1200 mm BLDC motor with remote 3 blade ceiling fan. Approx price 3482 rupees. Super energy efficient BLDC motor. Comes only 28 watt. Runs 3 times longer on an inverter battery. Smart remote. Fluctuating input voltage of 140 to 285 volts. Inverter stabilization technology. LED indicator for speed. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.